We are asked to solve for what? S into x raised to power s is equals to 64. That is 2 raised to power s is equals to 64. What is another way of writing 64? Since the base is 2, we are going to use 2 to test. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. 32 times 2 give us what? 64. How many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 64 is equals to what? 2 raised to power 6. So in place of 64, we're going to say 2s, 2 raised to power s is equals to what? 2 raised to power 6. Since the base are the same, our s is equals to what? 6. Thank you. Now the same thing solution, we now move to number 2. We are asked to solve 5s raised to power 5s raised to power plus 1 is equals to what? 625. Now, what is another way of writing 625? Since the base is 5, we are going to use this 5 to test by saying 5 times 5 will give us 25. 25 times 5 will give us 125. 125 times 5 will give us what? 625. Therefore, 625 is equals to what? 5 raised to power 4 because we are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in place of 625, we are going to put what? 5 raised to power 4. Then we now have s plus 1 is equal to what? 5 raised to power 4. According to law of indices, if the base are the same, we equate the power. Then we now have what? S plus 1 is equals to 4. And our s is equals to what? 4 minus 1. And our s is equals to 3. Now, we now move to this side. We have solution. Okay? We are asked to solve for what? 5 raised to power s is equals to what? 1 over what? 1224. You can also write that what? 4 raised to power 4 is equals to what? How can we get 1224? I mean 1224 is equals to what? Okay, since here is 4, we are going to say 4 times 4 will give us what? 16. 16 times 4 will give us what? 64. And 64 times 4 will give us what? 256. And 256 times 4 will give us what? 1244. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it is raised to power what? 5. Then we can have s raised to power 4 raised to power s is equals to what? 1 all over what? 4 raised to power 5. And we can write it as what? 4 raised to power s is equals to what? 4 raised to power what? Minus 5. According to law of indices, when you have 1 all over 4 raised to power number, you can take the inverse of that number. Therefore, our s is equals to what? Minus what? 5. Thank you.